Are you a B2B company looking to expand into Africa and Asia? If so, this webinar is for you. In this webinar, you will learn the market size and growth potential of Africa and Asia, the key economic trends in these regions, the customer demographics and behavior in these regions, the competitive landscape in these regions, the challenges and the opportunities of expanding into Africa and Asia, how to conduct market research and analysis, how to partner with local businesses, how to build relationships with customers and partners, how to adapt your marketing and sales strategies, how to manage the risks of expanding into Africa and Asia. Don't miss this opportunity to learn how to expand into Africa and Asia in 2023. Register for this webinar today on Eventbrite. You'll find the link in the description.